Every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine, waiting here to find the sign that I can understand. Yes, I am.
So every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine.
Hey guys, Jack here from Super String Lacrosse. Today we do a collab with Mako Sports. So hello, all you Mako Sports fans out there. If you don't already know who I am, if you're not familiar with me either on Instagram or YouTube or Twitter or Facebook or whatever you're following me on, I am Jack. I'm the owner and operator of Super String Lacrosse. We're a business very similar to Mako Sports. We focus a little bit more on the stringing aspects of the game. We offer custom stringing services in which we get heads to receive, and then we string them and send them back to you guys. We also offer pre-strung heads on our website, so feel free to check that out. The link will be in the description. Mako Sports and I have been talking for a while, TJ over at Mako Sports, because we wanted to find a way to collaborate. Unfortunately, geographically, we're a little bit separated. The great wide world of the interwebs, we were able to connect with you guys by doing a Q&A through our Instagrams. So I have the questions pulled up right here on my phone from TJ's post. These were asking questions for me for this Q&A video. And at the end, I'm going to be giving away a piece of Frontier Mesh, which is awesome. So the real J Bish Shish says, when did you get into stringing and what is your favorite mesh? I got into stringing about 2 or 3 years ago. It seems like it's flying by too quickly, but 2 or 3 years ago is when I really got into it. And my favorite mesh, it's really hard to decide. I currently use String King 3S, but I really love Hero Mesh and String King as the 2 major brands. I also love Frontier Mesh. So there's so many great meshes out there. It's really just what I had when I was stringing up my gamer. MRT_string says, what player do you aspire to be like? That's a really great question. I don't know if you guys know Ryder Garnsey at Notre Dame. He's an insane player. I'd love to have the same playing style as him. He's really quick, he's shifty, but he's also got some insane stick skills. And if I was ever on the same level of him, that would be amazing. Chase_GBRG says, do you prefer carbon shafts over metal shafts? I like carbon fiber shafts better, but I think certain companies, including String King, know how to really execute a metal shaft. Stuff by Christian says, favorite thing about lacrosse? The stringing community, the lacrosse community in total, it's amazing. Ian_Howard4 says, what is your gamer? You can actually check out that video. I'll put a link in the description for my whole gamer stick, but it's a Lakota U with String King 3S on a true shaft. J_Mueller19 says, where do you see your company in the near future and what things would you like to happen? It's a great question. So fortunately for me, I've actually been talking with a bunch of big companies. I'm not going to say names, but I have a lot of awesome stuff planned in the future. I'm getting a ton of different products to review from companies that are big but just starting out in lacrosse, and then also other companies who are known, a dominant brand in the sport. So what I really want to just see is grow SSL as big as it can be. I'm really being a platform for you guys to get your head strong and get product reviews and all that great stuff. Similar to Mako Sports, TJ posts some amazing content on his channel as well. Dave Becker with 2 R's says, what really got you hooked on lacrosse? The lacrosse community. It's amazing. It's the only sport I know where the people in it can be so in touch with the companies, and that's something you don't see in other sports. Peak Lacrosse says, favorite dodge and why? I am in love with the take a big wind up, face dodge, walk right by the guy. That's one I really love just because it's so simple, but it usually works. And then once you get them beat on that, you can throw a hitch in there and get top side. It's such a valuable move, and when I'm on the left side of the field, I really love to do it. NS_string says, what is your favorite mesh? And also, how has your office changed since the 3rd office tour? If it has, can you please make a 4th one? So I'm actually going to be making another office tour. The office is a little bit falling apart on this side, off camera. I need to fix that up a little bit so make it awesome before you guys see it. But my favorite mesh is 3S, like I said. Mr. Clutch 07 says, can you die / pinch a SDX K18? I can. I don't really die or pinch heads, but I know a bunch of different companies who can. The seller says, what are the similarities and differences in your stringing styles / approaches do you find between TJ and yourself? That's a great question. I personally love that TJ and I utilize a lot of the same knots when we're stringing. He keeps his patterns a little bit more simple, which is nothing wrong with that. His patterns are some of the prettiest I've seen, and his pockets are some of the best playing just by watching him in the videos. My pattern's a little bit more complex, and that's just due to the fact of how I like them. But we always utilize either an SI or a stacked SI and ones That's just a universal knot I think all stringers use, and TJ and I both use those knots. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Eric Koval says, what got you into lacrosse? And if you put my question in your YouTube video, can you shout out my YouTube channel? It's Eric Koval Productions. Go subscribe to Eric Koval Productions. And my cousin actually played at a college near here, and he brought over a stick, and I got hooked. Mark_Alex17 says, what advice would you give to someone looking to start up a stringing business like you guys? I started stringing and I was absolutely atrocious at it. What I recommend is get heads from people who are really good, and then look at what patterns and knots they're using, and then try to replicate that. Repetition is really everything. The more heads I strung, the better I got. Q.Mucha22 says, favorite setup? Like I said, my Gamer Lakota U 3S True Shaft. Grant's giveaway account, do you think that mesh will ever start out to die out? You know, that's a really great question. You have a lot of innovations such as the Warrior Warp, which is frankly a pretty bad product. I don't like it for different reasons. I'm not going to go into the specifics. You are free to like whatever you want, use whatever you want if it works for you, but I personally don't like it. That's a really great question. There's a lot of different innovation in the game. Will mesh ever die out? No, because I think it's just too good. And I think it's been perfected over a long period of time. I don't think it's ever going to die out. 401 Lax says, who inspired you to make a business? A company known as Top Notch Lacrosse. Not the one that's currently around with Gunnar, he's awesome, but the one that inspired me was Top with Notch with a K, so KNOTCH. Let me see if I can find it. It was this guy right here. Top KNOTCH Lacrosse. You can look him up on Instagram. He inspired me to start one. Ryan___21.FB says, do you watch the Jersey Shore? No, that's a bad rep. Jersey people don't actually talk like this and drink coffee. That's just a couple people who were in a TV show, a reality TV show. Most Jersey people I don't think I've ever really met, other than some people who do say coffee. I've never met anyone who has like a Jersey accent like they portrayed in those shows. Ryan____ says, 21.FB says, have you played with the Jewel Aries, and if so, how does it perform? It's a really awesome head. It performs a little bit different. It's because it's really stiff, and it's awesome when you can do that dual rail stringing and make the pocket illegal, but it's still legal for play. That's a really innovative product, and I'm a little bit unfortunately sad that they had to go out of business. JN Laxer12 says, what do you think of the Carbon Pro? Carbon Pro is a fantastic shaft, so innovative, so great, and I've used it a bunch of times and I love it. So definitely pick one up if you haven't already. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you all go into the description and subscribe to me and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. We hope to do a lot more collabs with Mako Sports and I in the future. So make sure to hit that like button if you want to see more collabs, and make sure to comment down below what collabs you might want to see, and maybe we'll give you a free piece of mesh or something if we decide to actually do that collab. So make sure to comment down below if you want to see other collabs. Like this video if you haven't, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and have a great day.
The sign that I should take it slow.